mobile search exploded over the last 12 months. Don't take my word, and let me show you how you can check yourself what happened in your industry. Simply in Google search field, type in Google Research Tool and log into account. Now up there in the search field, simply type in your industry keyword, as I will do right now for nail salons. Choose your country, location and language, but I will leave on global, and then going down there and let's press on Get Ideas. Now when we get ideas, let's select mobile trends from up there. Now we can see a chart for last 12 months. From all searches that happening online searching for nail salons, as in this example, over 60% these days comes from mobile, and this trend is continuing to grow every day. So the question is your business prepared? If not, we are here to help you. So let me introduce you with Mobile Customer Acquisition Package. Now, let me show you what elements are included into Pay-As-You-Go Mobile Customer Acquisition Package. Number 1. Mobile Optimized Customer Acquisition Mobile Site, and let me show you the demo. So and now, let me show you how this site looks on a mobile device. So you can see it's fully responsive. But let me jump over to Mobile Emulator. So now you can see at the top is your business name or logo. Then the next one, it's an image or video of your choice. Then it's tap to call, so customers can simply tap and call your business from their smartphone device. Then like and share, so your mobile site can go viral. Then request a callback, lead generation form where you gonna get notified into your email. About Us, where you again pre-sell your services to your customer base. Get directions, so customers from their smartphone device can simply tap on the map and find step-by-step directions by using their GPS. Operation hours, so they know when you open. And again links back to your social networks, so they can follow you and stay connected. Number 2. Responsive design lead generation website. You can use this either as your online presence or landing page to generate online leads for your business, and let me show you an example. Welcome to Responsive Design Lead Generation website. Up there on that corner, local business name will be replaced with your own business name. On another corner, there is a phone number that will be replaced with your own phone. Then you can see there is link 1, link 2, link 3, link 4. That's for your lead generation website that will lead back to your own website's pages of your choice. Then you can see the image. That's where we will replace your own business image or video. Whatever you have, simply provide us the link for your image or video and that will be displayed there. Then there is a request a callback, that's lead generation form. Simply when someone fills out that information and requests for more info, you're gonna get notified into your email box. Simply get someone to call them back and sell your service. About Us info. That's where you display your service information and pre-sell your service so your customer know what to expect. Get directions. That's where your customers will get step-by-step directions to your physical location if they're looking to go over and visit your business. Operation hours. That's where it's going to be displayed from Monday to Sunday wherever you open. Connect with us. That's where you're going to link back to your social networks. Simply provide links for your social networks. Sharing is caring, so people can like your Facebook wall without leaving this page and share this page on their own Facebook walls. Then click for more information. That's gonna lead back to your main website if you have one. But if you don't worry, we're going to remove this button. And we're going to remove as well these 4 links if you don't have pages where to lead. So you can use this for your own service promotions. Number 3. QR codes. QR codes that will lead to custom built mobile optimized website with an easy call to action. So you can get more business by adapting them to local marketing. And there is a quick QR code demo. Please watch. And as a bonus as well, you will get 3-page report on how to use QR codes for your business. And a free listing on Mobile Business Directory for extra exposure. And finally, stats and reports that will show you daily conversions, how many times people visited your site, how many calls are made, map clicks and form submissions. At this point you will be able to calculate your return on investment. You will be able to see, is it going to be making a profit or is it going to be the same, or are you going to lose. But if you will implement everything the right way and promote your site through the QR codes, local marketing and everything we're gonna provide to you, you're gonna make profit big time.